Well, if you grow a cherry tomato, you know they're bountiful and you're going to get a lot of them.
So if you can't eat all of them, the easiest way to preserve them is to dehydrate them.
First, you'll want to take a cookie sheet, line it with parchment paper, then slice the tomato in half and put the cut side up.
Place the cookie sheets in an oven about 170 degrees for 10 to 12 hours. Every 4 hours or so, rotate the cookie sheets from top to bottom for even drying.
Some people like to drizzle them with olive oil or salt before they dehydrate them, but you don't necessarily have to do this.
After 12 hours, take them out of the oven and let them cool. They may still be a little soft and rubbery, but don't worry about that. Then take that whole sheet and put it in the freezer so that they freeze individually. Then once they're frozen, take them out and put them into a plastic freezer bag and label it with the date.
And once you have them frozen, you can pull them out for up to a year and use them in things like soups or stews or chop them up for a tapenade.
This is a great way to use those excess cherry tomatoes.